In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on noise cancellation on DJI Mic 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly enable noise cancellation. This can help if you are in an environment that has a lot of background sound that you would like to eliminate. So doing this is extremely simple. All that you have to do, the most convenient way to do it, is to press the power button once. So while you are recording and you see the LED lit up, a solid color, press the power button once. Upon pressing the power button, it is going to automatically enable noise cancellation. So you will see this change from green to yellow. And once that mode is enabled, you will be good to go. If you have some sort of status indicators like this one, then all that you are looking for are these lines here. So if you see these lines, this means that it is enabled. If they are crossed out, then it means that noise cancellation is disabled. But to keep it simple, just press the power button once and it will immediately go into the cancellation mode. So press the power button on the transmitter, and if the transmitter status indicator turns yellow like this means that noise cancellation has been successfully enabled. For optimal noise reduction in very noisy environments, it's recommended to combine the intelligent noise canceling feature with the low cut function and the use of the included windscreen. And it's always a good idea to check the user manual for the most accurate and up-to-date information. So either do it through the receiver's touchscreen and use this status indicator here, or through the transmitter's power button, and you will be able to press it once to get this done and enable. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn on noise cancelling on DJI Mic 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.